Hey everyone, welcome. And today we're diving into a game changing way to automate your business using ChatGPT. Whether you're running customer support or handling data analysis, ChatGPT can help you save time and boost efficiency. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. Let's face it, providing quick and accurate customer support can sometimes overwhelm your team, especially when the same questions keep coming up. But this is where ChatGPT can step in. By automating responses to common inquiries, you can offer instant support while freeing up your team to handle more complex issues. So let me show you how it works in real time. Now, firstly, I'm going to ask ChatGPT down here in the input box right here. So I'll ask like, act as a customer support agent for my e-commerce business. So with this tactic, I will have ChatGPT help me out through like a little role play just to help practice for real-time interactions with anyone. See, so you can see ChatGPT would agree, and now is acting as a customer support agent for e-commerce business right here. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to take the role as a customer. So I'll say right here, simple, what is your return policy? And now let's hit enter right here. It's currently processing, and yep, here it is. There you have it. ChatGPT then provides a professional, accurate response to the customer, myself, to the question right here. This is a simple example, but you can also customize these responses to match your brand's tone of voice or specific policies. Now, let's take it a step further, I must say. Say you want ChatGPT to handle more detailed questions that involve specific product information, like checking the availability of a certain item. So I'll show you how to train ChatGPT for this type of inquiry. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT right here, like here, for example, do you have the blue eco-friendly water bottle in stock? So let's see how it handles this inquiry. It's currently loading right there. See how more detailed it is? Yep, perfect. So ChatGPT not only confirms whether the item is in stock, but it can also provide like additional details and such. So this one is kind of simple right here. Like there's also an additional question for added information. So let's say I wanted like a 16. Oh, there we go. And then, yep, right now, let's say I would like to place an order. Say yes. And then, there we go. Their shipping address, then contact email, and yep, there we go. So this my apologies, this level of automation can drastically cut down response time for your customers, giving them the answers they need in real time while lightening the load on your team. See, quite simple, yet effective and helpful for yourself and for your team. See? Data can be overwhelming, but it's one of the most valuable assets for any business. The challenge is sifting through it to find actionable insights. That's where ChatGPT can be a huge game changer. Instead of spending hours manually analyzing data, you can automate this entire process. Let me show you how to do it with a simple prompt right here. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to analyze the following data, the sales data for trends, and generate a report. So I'm going to put a random data in the attached file right over here. See? And now let's see what other information or insights ChatGPT might pull out. So it all depends on what ChatGPT would process based off all of this. So give ChatGPT some time to analyze everything. Right over here, give it time, and here it is. As you can see, ChatGPT has then identified and generated a summary report of your sales data right over here. Quite short. Oh, and there's also options here from ChatGPT, whether you want to know the highest revenue item or visualize sales trends over time. Why don't I go with this one? Right over there. Analyzing once again, letting ChatGPT process everything for the information to pop up a bit later on. And there we go. There's the sales trends over time through a visual aid right here. And then if you need the item, the most revenue, just select this one, or you can type it out right here. Another one. There we go. See? Simple result answer right there. Dresses, total revenue right here. And yep, and this gave you a clear direction or information on where to focus on your efforts. So you can now use this information to make data-driven decisions without the manual effort. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business. Whether you're promoting a new product or running a seasonal campaign, the right messaging can make or break your efforts. But writing effective ad copy and campaign material can be time consuming. That's where ChatGPT can give you an edge. Let's start with how it can help you generate targeted ad copy in seconds. Now I'll ask ChatGPT down here to write a Google ad for the launch of an eco-friendly water bottle, for instance. So here's the prompt overall. And now let's send this off. All right, within seconds, here's how ChatGPT would process and craft it together the ad. See? Simple as that. So ChatGPT has written a concise attention-grabbing ad that highlights the eco-friendly features of the water bottle. See? Now this kind of copy right here is actually really perfect for attracting clicks and driving traffic to your product page. You can tweak the copy if needed, but the bulk of the work is done for you. So, aside from this, let's see how ChatGPT can help with email marketing right here. So email campaigns are a powerful way to drive sales, especially during promotions. Now I'll show you how ChatGPT can create a complete email sequence for a flash sale, saving you time and effort. All right, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT down here. There we go. So here's the prompt that I crafted together. So let's say I wanted ChatGPT for like a 3-day flash sale for eco-friendly water bottles through email sequence. There we go. Send this off right now. All right. Here's the full form of the email sequence right here. Oh, there's email 1. So ChatGPT has given us not 1, but 2, or possibly like more choices right there. There, see? There's email 3 right here. There it is. A fully fleshed out email sequence with a different message for each day of the sale. Right here, 3. There's the second one. And there's the first one. Yep, from the initial announcement down to the final day's reminder, ChatGPT then ensures your messaging stays consistent and persuasive throughout the entire campaign. Again, just customize the details. Just hit send, and you're good to go. Quite helpful, huh? Administrative tasks aren't an unavoidable part of running a business, but they don't have to consume all your time. Whether it's responding to emails, scheduling meetings, or creating documents, that is, ChatGPT can handle these repetitive tasks for you. So let me show you how you can use it to streamline your email management, first of all. So I'll ask ChatGPT down here in the input box. So with the prompt that I crafted together, here we go. So for example, I would ask ChatGPT to, let's say, draft a professional response, email that is, to a meeting request, then suggest alternative times for next week. Here we go. And in support of this, so let's say you wanted to add more details, like you have notes through a document just to help ChatGPT craft out the meeting request as you asked to ChatGPT. Here it is, the document in support of this. And now let's send this off right now. All right, within seconds, here's the response right here. Clear, polite, and professional email suggesting alternative meeting times. Here it is, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Here's the dates, the time right here. So yeah, so with this kind of automation, you can manage your inbox much more efficiently without needing to craft each email individually. So just copy, paste, and you're all set. See? Now, keeping track of meetings, deadlines, and appointments can be overwhelming, but ChatGPT can assist by helping you plan your week. I'll show you how it can generate a weekly schedule based on your upcoming tasks. So, here's the prompt right here. Here it is. So I'd ask to generate a weekly schedule for meetings and deadlines, so ensuring no overlap between the events. So in support of this prompt, I'll add further information details right here. There we go. As you can see, there are also follow-ups as well. Here we go. Then send this off right now. Okay, so take a look based off what ChatGPT would process. So here from September 25 to October 6, ChatGPT has then crafted a schedule just so you can follow it, your schedule with your work very easy, with the business, with the meetings of sales report that is. So yep, here you go. So with this kind of automation, you can stay on top of your tasks and keep your workflow smooth and stress-free. So by automating key tasks or key aspects of your business with ChatGPT, you can save time, increase productivity, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business.